Welcome back to Divine Touch Technologies, and this evening we are going to explain to you how to subscribe and download our KCSE Robot application from our website. So you will head straight to kcserobot.com, and once you are there, this will be the page that you will view. So you go to pricing, and then now on the pricing plans are explained there. So if your school had candidates for 2021 registered to be between 1 and 50 candidates, so you'll have to pay a setup fee of 2,000, and then the renewal will be 1,000. That will be next year. So this year you'll only pay 2,000, and then you can analyze the results for 1 to 50 students. If your school has 300 to 350, for example, your fee will be 5,000. So you'll choose the plan that fits your school. So make sure that you pay depending on the number of students that start for 2021. If you pay for less students, then you will not be able to analyze full results. So once you have read this and you are satisfied, and then you can click the subscribe button down there. Now once you click the subscribe button, you will see on the right subscription via M-Pesa. So this is online. You can do this without making any call to us. So you will go to M-Pesa, pay bill number, and you will type pay bill number 598,651. That is the pay bill number for Staff Room Collections. That's our mother company for all our applications. So you will pay for this money will be paid to Staff Room Collections, and then you will enter the account number will be your school code, and then the amount will be the amount depending on the number of students. So we are going to demonstrate to you. So let me assume my school has 140 students. So you'll notice when I type 140, it is calculating for me the bill. So my bill is Kenya shillings 3,000, both on the left and on the right. Then the amount to enter on M-Pesa pay bill is indicated. Then now we go to school KNEC code. This is the KNEC code for your school, and I know you know this one. So let me take a random number, 25,551,103. So you notice as I type, it's indicating that is the number that I should enter as the account when you are making payment. And then let me take the school name to be Nairobi School. Nairobi School. Type in Nairobi School, and then so this is the name that will be displayed in the application, and that will be entered in the Excel when you are exporting. The documents will be signed with Nairobi School. Then we type the password. Let me type so you type a password that you remember. This will be the password for the administrator. So the administrator can be able to delete results and simulate results. Only the administrator can do that. So you can type the administrator password there. So let me take a simple password 000. Okay, and then now use a password. This will be the password that you will share with all the colleagues that will install the application, who will be analyzing together with you, the administrator. But the administrator password, you retain it yourself alone, the person who will be in charge of the analysis. But the user password, let me use password 111 or 000, whatever. And then now the payment number, the payment phone number. So this number will be the number that you have used when you are making payments. So it must be the number you used when you are making payments to Staff Room Collections. So let me use my number 0721 636 0721. I just forgot my number, 206, and you can call us on this number anytime. That's my number. You can call me anytime, and I'll be able to answer your questions. And then you referral number. Now this number is required. So this application, we have a sales team that will be marketing our application. So if you have been referred by a person, please be generous and indicate their number so that it will help us when we are appreciating them. So please include their number. So let me use here the number of my friend Bet 07. Okay, 0727379684. And then now I will say subscribe. So let's see what will happen. So I have already paid. Oh wow, so there we have created the account. So it's saying your account has been created successfully, and then kindly download both the Android and desktop apps from download section, and remember to record securely your username and password, because you will not get them during the so you need to record the password and the username will be your school code. So your school code is your username, so you don't need to remember this because you already know that. So you need to know the password for admin and the password for the users. Now once you have done this, then your app is set up. You just need now to go open your application in your preferred platform, desktop or Android, and then you use the same username or password, and you will be having the app set up, and you can do simulation and you can do live streaming of results when they are released from KNEC. So let's see how we can download. So let's go back to KCSE robot.com, and then we click downloads. So downloads, there we have 4 files for now. So at the top there we have desktop application certificate. So this is the certificate to allow you to install our application on your desktop. So you download that, and then we have demo versions. This will be the demo account. So I don't need to download this on Android. You need to download it on your mobile, and maybe I need to open my mobile phone so that I can show you how this happens. Okay, I'll open my mobile and show you how this happens. So you're going to download this. I'm going to show you how this happens. So I'm going to go to KCSE robot.com on my mobile. KCSE robot.com on my mobile number. Just a moment. KCSE robot.com. There you go, it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. And then I go to downloads, and then I go, okay, let me refresh this page. This is an old version of my page, sorry for that. Oh yeah, this is the latest version of my page. So you go to demo version. So I click Android, download Android APK. So if I click download Android APK, it's going to download the application, and then it's going to say download. It's asking me if I can download that application, and it's downloading. Let me wait for it to finish to download. Give it a moment, it's going to finish. So to go to downloads, I click the 3 buttons on the right top of my Android. Then I browse downloads folder, and then I have the KCSE there. I open it. It's starting to open. So once the app is opened, I install. So as it's installing, remember that this application requires to read SMS from KNEC. So it will ask you for permission to read SMS. Immediately we install. Once the app is fully installed, it's going to, and we open it. So if I open it, it's going to ask for permission. So just give it a moment. Okay, delete the installer there. Just give it a moment. Let's give it a moment, and it's going to open. So I open the app. So once the app is open, I'm expecting that I will be asked for permission, and I have to allow permission. So that now, so I will have to log in with the account that the school code. So the school code that I was using was 25 551 103, and I think the password for that case was 4 zeros 0 marine. So nitaweka password, alafu ni click login. In just a moment it's going to open, and boom, it's asking for permission. So I need to click allow. So make sure this is very important. If you don't click allow, once the application is installed, you'll have to go to settings and then change permission. So I think it's the easiest way to allow permissions when you are installing the application. That's why we do it at the beginning. Once you have allowed, so this app is ready. So you click simulate. You can click simulate, and you will see results. So these are demo applications. It's a demo account, so we can simulate results here. It's asking me for permission to do that, so I'll allow it, and then I'll allow it. So it's telling me to go navigate to live stream page. So you can see the results are streaming for the 140 students, and up there the school name is Nairobi School, which is the school that I was using when I was registering. So thank you very much. This is how to subscribe to our application, download and install. So you follow the same process to install the live account, but the live account will be blank the way we explained in the other video. Welcome back to Divine Tech Technologies. Thank you.